naglakaw sa Turkey, ang usa na sa inyo. Hello. Are you okay? Oh my goodness, grabe ka dagko ni. This one thinks he is a statue. Look, it's not moving. Other two are moving. I guess this is the mommy. Those two babies. And then the daddy left already. Hi, Dopey. Are you a statue? Are you a statue of the Dopey? Don't move. Look, it's this one is joining the statue dance. Don't move. Wait. Don't move. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're funny. Look, the other one's behind it. I know. Look, the two are wiggling. Oh my goodness, they look like the horseshoe bunny. Look, the tail is very white. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi. Are you okay? Huh? Because my feet were cold. Hi. Look, I'm waving my hand. Hi. Not scared. This one wants to stand its ground. Who? Looks like a small version of the horseshoe bunny. The hair is a rabbit. Look, the rest of them is already behind. This one is not moving. Okay. Ayaw pa. Just give it. Uh-oh. It's time. What are they eating there? Because they poke it.